everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to put an outfit together. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla, and on this channel, I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below. So first off, I want to remind you guys to always remember to make it happen. No matter what it is that you're doing, what it is that you're planning on doing, you can make it happen. Okay, so let's start off by making it happen with number one. The first thing you want to do is remove everything in your closet that you have not worn, does not fit you, or anything like that. What that's doing is it's taking away from your ability to create an outfit by just taking up room in your closet. Get rid of them by either throwing away the things that are dirty or dingy, or grabbing the things that don't fit anymore and donating it to a location like Savers or Goodwill near you. Second thing you want to do is think about where you are going. Are you wearing this outfit to work? Is it a job where you have to dress in a suit? Is it a job where you can wear jeans and have a more casual outfit? Get those things going in your mind. Are you planning on going out to dinner? Is it fine dining? Is it a more casual dinner? Get those things going in your mind, because essentially that will dictate what it is that you wear that day. The third thing you want to do is check the weather. This is key. It is essential. I cannot tell you how many times I've forgotten to check the weather and it just ruins my outfit. Like, I'll go outside with open-toed shoes or mules and it's raining. Like, that's just the basic thing that you want to do. You just want to check what the weather is like. Especially that now fall is coming. You know that the weather continuously changes. So you don't want to go outside with a short sleeve shirt when it's going to be something like 40 degrees out. So after you've checked the weather, you want to think about what vibe are you going for? What feeling is it that you want? Do you want to have a nice, chill, cozy vibe? Think about wearing a oversized sweatshirt or just oversized feels, because that will give you a chill, cozy vibe. If you want a more chic vibe, then think about wearing your things like blazers and trainers or dresses. Things like that is what you want to keep in mind. If you find that you get caught up on what it is that you're going for, like if you're going for chic but can't really think about what is chic, or you want to go for a cozy vibe but can't really think, okay, what is a cozy vibe that I want? Then go on Pinterest, go on Instagram. The good thing about hashtags and Instagram is that you can put in a hashtag, click on that hashtag, and you'll find tons of images on the vibe that you're going for. Same with Pinterest. All you have to do is put in something like chill, cozy outfits, and that will pull up the type of vibe that you're going for, or outfit ideas that you're going for that vibe that you want to feel. So after you've gotten rid of the items in your closet that you haven't worn in a while, you've thought about what it is that, or where it is that you're wearing your outfit to, you've checked your temperature, you've decided what vibe it is that you want to feel that day, then go ahead and pinpoint the key part of the outfit that you want. For example, I'm going to be working around these shoes today. So this is the key item that I'm going to be picking my outfit around. I am going for a chill, cozy vibe. So when I think of a chill, cozy vibe, I think of an oversized top, whether it's a sweater or a long sleeve t-shirt or just a regular t-shirt. I think of that when I think of chill, cozy vibes. I think of things like mom jeans, high-waisted jeans, looser fitting jeans. I don't want to wear anything tight because that does not give me chill, cozy vibes. And then these shoes definitely give me chill, cozy vibes. So in my head, what I think of immediately when I see these shoes are mom jeans, maybe like a lighter wash, and like an oversized sweater. So this is the outfit that I came up with when I thought of chill, cozy vibes. So I have this sweatshirt on and I paired it with some high-waisted mom jeans and this black belt with the silver buckle. And I went with silver because my boots do have the black and silver metallic studs on them, and the black and metallic boots. And then I accessorized it with this gunmetal watch and just some extra bangles. This is actually like a full-on set that you just clip together. But yeah, I just decided to put that together because I thought it looked good for the vibes that I was going for. And then the last thing to putting an outfit together is right before you walk out of your house, you want to remove an item. Just go in front of a mirror, look through everything that you're wearing, and I'm sure there's something that you're gonna find that is just too much or too extra in your outfit. Take that item, take it off, and just put it to the side and walk out your door. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any other things that you want to include in how to put an outfit together, then also let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.